We are at the baseball field and we have our Snackle box and it has a cooler in it. Let's check this out. If you are looking for an upgrade to the traditional Snackle box, you're going to want to check this out. The company sent this over and I'm so excited. We have a swimming pool and we are always wanting to bring our snacks out by the pool. This one has a cooler attached. It has a chill mat underneath. I have it currently in my freezer getting cold. I'm going to show you what this looks like and why it is the needed item for this summer. Okay, so this has been in my freezer and it is now frozen solid. Let me show you how this works. There are 4 openings on this. That's going to keep this really secure when you're traveling with it. Not only does it have this, it comes with its own insulated carrying case that has a handle on the top. So the inside tray lifts out and you place this underneath. This is going to keep everything in here nice and cold. And then you're going to close this right back up. Now take a look at everything that's included with this. So you have everything partitioned in here. You have these adorable little metal forks that are very, very tiny. This is going to be great for fruit. You have 2 small condiment cups that you could put anywhere in here. And then you have all of these separation trays, which is where we're going to put all of our different snacks. So tonight we have the baseball game. I would normally have this by the pool, but I packed this for baseball snacks. The cold pack is already on the bottom. This can sit in here and stay in here, and then you just close it and open it when you're ready. Okay, here we are. We are at the baseball field and we have our Snackle box and it has a cooler in it. Let's check this out. Now this is going to be nice and cold for our entire game and we can snack all day.